my channel. You're watching Something About Alicia and I'm Alicia. Hello to all my new subscribers. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be my February favorites. I know it's something different and I told you guys I wanted to do new things this year. So I'm going to be sharing with you some of my monthly favorites that I'm either reading, listening to, wearing, or trying out. Things that I have bought in February. And I have quite a few things I want to share with you. So in this video, I'm going to share with you two of my favorite makeup products. The first product is going to be the Glossier Cloud Paint in Storm. And I really do like this. A little bit goes a long way. And this is more of like a deep rose color. And me personally, I think it's perfect for me. I have been enjoying the Glossier Cloud Paint. And when I tell you a little bit goes a long way, like a dot on your cheek, dab it out, that's it. But what I like about this is it's mainly like a stain. You can build it. It's very buildable. The next makeup product that I have purchased was also from Glossier. This is the Generation G. I guess it's lipstick, but this is more of a lip tint on me. I have the color in Leo, and it's pretty much the color of my lips. I can't put this on like one swipe. Actually, to get color payoff with this, I have to do a couple of swipes. But when I get done with those swipes, I really love the outcome of this. This is like the perfect color if you just want to just be like a little put together. This is something I could wear every day. I just put a couple swipes on. Really nice. It's just a nice, natural, neutral color. It's really nice. They redid their packaging, and this is actually, I haven't had any issues with packaging. I know they redid it because they had issues with the last packaging, but this one is very nice. It snaps. So these two are my makeup favorites for the month of February. Next, I have skincare. I ordered this solid perfume from Lush called Lust, and this smells very delightful. Like it's very, I'm gonna smell it so I can get a good, it is just so, it just smells so great. Like if you're big on florals, then you would like this. And very light and fresh. I like stuff like that. I like jasmines, I like roses. This is the kind of perfume for you if you like that stuff too. It smells wonderful. It's a very nice smell, and it lasts long. I don't have an issue with it fading. My fiance, he likes it. He's hugged me before and he said I smell good. My daughter hugged me before and she said I smell good. So it works, it lasts long, it stays on you, and I'm actually really happy. And I actually have been trying Drunk Elephant, and I got it because Sephora was giving away the Drunk Elephant combos. You could pick like a free gift on your birthday. My birthday was in January, so I picked the Drunk Elephant samples. This is the Polypeptide cream, and when I tell you, this is literally the best moisturizer I've ever tried in my life. This is amazing. Let me tell you, this is amazing. When I first used this, it went on. I felt like it was so light and silky and so moisturizing, and it penetrated so deep. When I wake up in the morning, I use this every night. I've had this sample since January, and it literally goes a long way. Like, I'm not even done. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not even done. This little sample has lasted me 2 months already. 2 months. But when I wake up in the morning, my skin is plump and it's moisturized. I've even seen a difference in the texture of my skin, my complexion. And granted, I am using the face wash, the jelly face wash. I don't remember the exact name, but that also, let me get it. So I'm also using the jelly the jelly cleanser. It looks like this. It came in the duo for the January birthday set. When I tell you these two has changed my skin, I'm buying another one. These are going to be with me forever. I have never used anything like this before in my life. Like, my skin has been so clear and so balanced and so smooth, and the texture, and I'm happy. If I had to pick an absolute favorite out of this whole thing, it would be this. The last thing that I have from my skincare favorites is this HERBIVORE gua sha tool. So it comes in this really cute little package, like bag. My favorite color is pink. Okay, my phone case is pink. This bag is pink. I love pink. Like, I don't really wear it too much, but stuff like this is just super adorable. It has a name on there in gold. It's so cute. And I use this maybe like 3 times a week after I use the Drunk Elephant moisturizer. And I just go in with this. And this is my rose quartz gua sha tool. And basically I like hold my skin taut and I just massage up, do everything up, my forehead up. I start with my neck, I go up, I go up, I go up. This is a very nice tool. I feel like I see a difference in my skin. Also, it's very relaxing. I do this at night before bed, maybe like 3 times a week. And I've seen these online for so long. I've seen the jade rollers. I wasn't really big on the jade rollers. I kind of felt like you were just like rolling over your skin. It wasn't really doing too much. But with this, I feel like I'm really like lifting my skin up, and I get under my eyes, I get my neck, my jaw, everything. Like this, I like this. This is I have never been to a spa, so this is like I'm giving myself a facial whenever I do it. And my skin, like, I feel like everything is just lifted by the morning time. Between this and having Drunk Elephant, like, my skin has definitely transformed. Like, I've been doing something right. I've been doing something right. I'm not wearing any foundation right now. Only thing I did to myself today for this video was do my eyebrows, give myself a little mascara, a little liner, a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlight, and lip gloss. I did not put on any foundation. None. No foundation. So this is my last skincare favorite. The next item is going to be a book. I'm really into diet and nutrition and just nourishing the body and the mind, and just I'm really big on like wellness, and I love learning about it. I love reading about it. I love listening to videos and podcasts, YouTube channels and Instagram pages. I really am into like health and food, and I think a lot of people don't really know how bad they're eating. So I picked up this book. It's called Vegucation Over Medication: Myths, Lies, and Truths About Modern Foods and Medicine by Dr. Bobby J. Price. And I heard about this book on, I think it's called The Brown Vegan, but I was listening to her podcast and she had him as a guest on the show, on the podcast. And he was talking about his journey to wellness and how he pretty much started it because he was, you know, interested in making his body look better. He did it for like vanity reasons. And he talked about just wanting to lose, you know, weight. And he started off with doing the detox and using smoothies. And first of all, this man's a doctor and he went to school. He was a pharmacist for many years. And eventually he realized it wasn't helping anybody. So he started on his whole wellness journey, and he ended up going and living in many different countries. He was studying wellness and nutrition and diet and meditation and yoga in India, Japan, all over the world. This man has traveled and learned about wellness, and he finally sat down, wrote a book for us so we can get all the secrets too. So I've been keeping notes, and I mean, this book is super interesting. I'm not going to spoil it. So I recommend this book. I have not finished it yet, but so far I love it. My next favorite is going to be home decor. And when we first moved, and even before we moved, I was looking into diffusers, and I was hearing really good things about the Protini diffuser and how it's just so nice and it works so great and the aesthetic is so pretty and it looks like a vase and all that cool stuff. And I was actually thinking about buying it, but then my fiance went to Target and he purchased this one. This thing is amazing. I can smell this thing all the way upstairs when this thing is downstairs. This thing distributes scents and essential oils so beautifully. Like, it lasts for 6 hours and it has automatic turn off. And it's freaking beautiful. Like, look at the lines on this thing. This thing is beautiful. Like, I couldn't be happier with the aesthetic and the fact that it just works great. You don't have to spend $100 on a diffuser to get great results. This thing works wonderful. My next favorite is going to be a fashion favorite from Target, and it's actually a denim jacket that I had picked up from the Black History Month section, because for some reason when you walked into Target, they had this amazing display with all this amazing Black History products on it. But I got this denim jacket. It says "Embrace Your Roots" over here in the corner, and on the back it has the motherland. Very, very beautiful, very nice. I love the wash of denim. It's like kind of old school, but this one is, I haven't worn it, tagged so long, but it's a favorite. It was a favorite as soon as I seen it, and I loved it. So as soon as I get a life and find somewhere to go, I'm gonna pop that baby on. But I love that jacket. Like, that denim jacket is official. It's so, so dope. And the next thing I have is this t-shirt that I got from a Turquoise Garden. This is actually my second t-shirt from her. The first shirt I got, it said "Vegan Girl Gang," and I was wearing that everywhere. I love this shirt so much. It really stands for everything that I stand for. I've washed it already and it still feels good. Like, this is my other fashion favorite for the month of February. And last but not least, I have a fitness favorite. My fiance actually picked me up some yoga gear for Valentine's Day, and I've been putting this to use, and I want to share with you guys the amazing products he got me. But first things first, he got me this amazing yoga bag, and this yoga bag literally fits everything. Like, I have a yoga towel in here, I have my mat in here, I have my gloves in here, and it has really nice compartments. So this first compartment has my yoga mat, and that's in there. The second compartment is down here. You can put like your wallet, you can put your keys, you can put your phone. And the one up here has a nice little mesh net to hold something in there, like a phone or keys or wallet. I have my gloves in there right now. And I mean, these are also a favorite because they help me do downward facing dog really well. So I've been using this stuff, and I'm so grateful for him getting this for me for Valentine's Day, because I was in here doing yoga on my rug, and granted, I mean, I was doing yoga, it was working out, but this is so much better. Like, I can put my mat on the floor, like the hardwood floor, and get my poses a lot better. I have more stability, and my hands aren't as sweaty because I'm actually on a mat and not the carpet, and you know, my feet aren't sliding. So I'm really, really grateful for him getting this for me for Valentine's Day. And it looks like this. It's a beautiful gradient teal. It looks very, very nice. It rolls up easily. It doesn't stick. There's no smell afterwards. Wipe it down with water and it's good to go. And I love it so much. My goal with these videos each month is to share a little bit of myself with you, things that you really haven't known, a little bit about myself, the things that I'm into, the things that I like to do. Hopefully I put you on to something new that you haven't heard of. Hopefully I opened your eyes to something that you thought about trying, and maybe I just opened your mind up a little bit. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Peace, love, and light. Mwah.